always happy, smile.
Look at me! Yan, hello mga ka-trip, good afternoon. Ngayon, waiting na tayo ng service para sa duty natin. Jacket na tayo kasi medyo malamig na dito. Dito muna tayo sa reception. Mamaya dadating na yung driver. See you. Kahapon pala dito sobrang lakas ng ulan. Grabe. Kasi bihira dito sa Kuwait yung sobrang lakas ng ulan. Ang lakas ng ulan, lakas pa ng hangin. Ngayon kasi nagsisimulan ng lumamig. Ngayon umulan pa, baka lalong malamig na. Talagang taglamig na dito. Ayan. Ito yung labas. Yan naman, ganda ng sasakyan, no? Ang ganda. Tatlo yung gulong. Yan yung likod, yung gulong sa likod, tapos dalawa sa harap. Parang Batman lang. Dito tayo, waiting tayo dito. Habang wala, dito muna tayo sa loob. Yan. Bali, ito yung second day natin sa ating trabaho. Yan. Mga trip pag tag-init dito, pag ganito oras, hindi ka makakalabas ng ganito. Kailangan mag-stay ka lang doon sa loob kasi aircon yon. Pero sa ganito, mahirap mag-stay kasi sobrang init. Pero ngayon, dahil kahit may araw siya, maliwanag, hindi siya ganun kainit. Hindi na siya mainit. Medyo malamig na siya. Dito muna tayo sa labas habang hinihintay natin yung service. Maya darating na rin yan. Ayan, ito ang Kuwait. Bali, to, Salmiya Park. Medyo matagal pa ang pick up kasi alis nila doon alas 2 doon sa pick up area sa parking. Kaya lang dito dinadaanan na lang ako dito sa plat na to kasi dito rin naman yung daan niya. Bali ikutan niya ako kaya sa pupunta pa ako doon, ang gagawin driver na lang iikot dito. Pabor dito kasi kung sakaling tag-init na, hindi na ako maglalakad, dadaanan na lang dito. Ayan mga ka-trip, maya tayo ulit. Yan, sobrang ganda nung sasakyan sa likod ko. Three wheels. Yan, ka-trip, parating na yung service. Yan o. Nandito naman ako, sakay naman ako. Yan mga ka-trip, tapos na naman po ang aming duty today. Yan. Wala ng customer. Zero na. Siyempre, kamusta? Kamusta what?
I don't know now.
Okay, don't know now.
It's me, Pema.
Pema what? What is your name?
Pema Wangmo, sir.
Pema Wangmo.
Yes, I'm cleaning now.
You're cleaning now.
Oh, one got this here.
What card that one? This one for who? Just put it inside.
Yeah, this is. Meron to lost.
Yeah. And this one Tashiki. Yeah, you are peace, man. And
Subscribe Trip TV Vlog.
oh, see.
So much grateful.
Oh, thank you.
So Trip, today we
Yeah.
are going to catch these balls.
How to catch its close already?
But sadly, we don't have
What?
online at the moment.
yeah.
Online, we can.
You can even any color, huh?
What you are waiting, please visit Cosmo Kids Manara Show
Yeah.
and have a good time here.
For the ball?
Loved one. And not only balls, but also look
What the-
around.
Yeah.
Look around, please.
Zip line.
Exciting game.
Zip. What more?
Unimaginable,
Okay.
unimaginable and most challenging and tough parkour game.
Parkour game there. Yeah.
April.
And
Next we have, you want to have some colors on your face.
then we have what?
If you want to beautify, not always with the makeup costume. Sometimes give a try with these things.
You have
See how
face
beautiful it
painting. Yeah. And how about that one? The red one?
Which one? Red one?
Yeah.
Which red?
Red.
This one?
Yeah,
Okay,
our zip line.
Zip line. You believe human flying?
Yeah.
I don't think so, but I will prove you are wrong.
Without wings, huh?
Human
Zip line
being
without
fly.
wings. Without wings.
Yeah, without wings. But we have a replaced wing called
Yeah.
trolley.
Trolley.
So we have a trolley which will let you fly over us.
Yeah. This one.
Over there, yeah.
Oh. And they call what?
It's called zip line.
Zigzag.
Zigzag.
Yeah, zigzag.
Yeah.
Mga ka-trip, actually tapos na yung duty namin. We go home at we close at 11:30, right?
We close at
We go home at 11:30. We close at 11. Now it's 11:17 now.
yeah, this one is during weekends, by
Dur-
the way.
During weekends, just only Thursday and Friday. And what you whistle? Shout out to your kabayan in Bhutan.
What did you say, sir?
Uh,
I didn't hear you.
No, shout out your family there and yeah, greetings message.
Message.
Yeah.
To the
Okay.
Stay safe. Be always happy. Smile.
Look at me.